Hey guys, welcome to my channel. This is my first video thingy, and if you want to know how to get this look, I don't know what to call it, but yeah, if you want to know how to get this, keep on watching. First, you want to start off with the base. I use NARS smudge proof eyeshadow base, and I already put that on. Next, you want to start off with a light brown. I'm going to be using this shade right here. So I'm just gonna put that like, okay, wrong brush. We're gonna put that all over the lid. Next, you're gonna want to start off with a darker brown, and I'm gonna be using this shade right here. And you're gonna want to put that in the outer C of your eye and blend it up. Next, you're gonna use that first shade that you used and blend out the top. After that, you're going to want to use a black shade. So I'm using this shade right here. Then I'm gonna take a blending brush like this and then just put that right over the dark brown, but very lightly. And then do that to the other side. Next, you're gonna want to take your concealing brush and your concealer and do a half cut crease. then you want to blend out the edges with that brush you use for the black shadow. Next thing, you want to take a little brush and some glitter primer and put that over the concealer. And then you want to take a glitter brush and pack glitter on to that glitter primer. Just like that. And the glitter I'm using is NYX glitter and Beauty Beam. And then I just put that all over. And then it's cute. So after you do the glitter, you're gonna want to do eyeliner, and I use e.l.f. Jet Black liquid eyeliner, and I'm not gonna do that on camera because I don't know. So after you've done your eyeliner, you're done with your eye look basically. I put my mascara on after I do my foundation, so I'm gonna go do my foundation and be done with my makeup, and then I'll come back. And here's the final look. So I just did my foundation and added like an orangey brown to the bottom, and yeah, I'm done. All my links will be in the description, and thanks for watching.